Hello, friends. So, I am here at my campsite today because I thought we could do a little bit of decorating. I moved my campsite a little while ago. It used to be over here in the middle of this current, what is this, hyacinth patch. I wanted a beachside or a beachfront campsite. I just thought that would be a really cute idea and I thought that we could decorate it. To start off, I think I want to try to put down a picnic blanket. Might end up scrapping that idea, but I just think it might be cute to have a little picnic blanket down on the beach next to the campsite so that whoever's visiting can have a meal on the water. So let's see. Maybe here. How big should I make it? No. Do I want it that wide? Dude. Doing any sort of construction or custom designing or anything like that, oh my god. I love this game, but I hate this game at the same time. Now, I feel like this is cute, actually. No! Serenity. I am calm. Dude, I'm gonna scream. Okay. Yay, picnic blanket. I definitely want to keep this somewhere. I just think it's so cute. It's like a little... Oh. Let me go grab that really quick. So you may have noticed that my island is currently in fall time. That is because I really want to get all of the mushroom DIYs. I have most of them. There's only one mush DIY that I'm still trying to get at this point. I think the mush stool is the only DIY that I still don't have from the mush ones, at least the ones that I care about. Oh, and the parasol. So I'm waiting for the mush parasol and the mush stool. Those are the two that I'm still looking for. I have way too much stuff in my pockets. Okay. Oh, that's a parasol. I'm a dum-dum. Where's the table? Did I put it back? Oh, no, there it is. Ew, I don't like that. Okay. This is my first time actually, like, decorating a place without a super clear idea of what I want. So it's a little bit all over the place already. Okay, I think I'm gonna put down some dirt, maybe? No, this is gonna be too big. Alright. I can just do the corners. Nope. Okay. Okay, we've got some dirt. Okay. Cute! Okay, wait, I like that. Oh. What are we gonna put here? Are we gonna keep the log bench? I don't really like the log bench there. Let's try a log stool. Or wait, I think I brought a regular stool with me. This, maybe? Maybe? I don't know. Why not? We'll keep it there for now. Why have I literally done nothing still? Okay, I need like I feel like I need a table-y area. Maybe I'll go grab that barrel from up there. Ooh, and maybe like a tiny library or something. That would be cute. Okay, barrel. Nice. What can I put on top of it? That's kind of cute. Or maybe the candle? Can you put anything on top of this? Okay, wait, we'll put this here. And there. Oh, you can! Okay. I'm gonna put some custom designs underneath it, though. I don't have anything really beachy, though. Oh, maybe some stones? I think that'll be nice. Okay. That's cute. I'm gonna scrap the picnic idea, or maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller. That's better. Maybe. I think back here we will put a wild log bench and see. I don't like the white. Yeah, I think I like that better. I feel like this is gonna be the most boring video on the planet. I'm sorry, I'm not talking so much. I am simply concentrating. Oh, that's really cute. Okay. Wait, but I need to put custom designs down! Okay. It's a lot of like placing things and then picking them back up and then putting custom designs down and then putting them back down. Actually, wait. Hang on a second. I kind of like it better there. So that it doesn't cover the other thing. Okay. Stool. And then what can we put here? Ooh, clothesline? No, that'll block the way. Stole this from my house. Oh, I like that, I think. Oh. Okay. Do I want to put something over here? Maybe just the stool, and then I'll be done with that. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. Maybe I'll put that there. And then I believe I have a cushion, yes. I'm gonna have to change the design of the cushion because I don't like it, but that's kind of cute, like just this little mini picnic blanket. And you can like, boop, yum yum yum. Okay. Right here. I like that. Dude, flowers always make things so much better. Let's do a pink one here. I like that. Okay. What am I gonna do about this area though? Does there need to be anything here is the question. Maybe I'll just do a little path. I'll have a garden faucet over here to like get your water and rinse off your sandy feet if you need. We'll try. Oh, okay, yeah. That should be fine. And do a garden faucet. Okay. Here we go. Kinda cute. I just feel like I need something over here though. In the middle area. Oh, let's put some log stakes down actually. I forgot I had these. Decorating is just me throwing a lot of random stuff down on the ground, looking at it, hating it, and keeping it anyway because I'm lazy. Because I'm too lazy to clean it all up afterwards. Oh, he's big. Ooh, cute. Okay, wait. Oh. We're gonna put him right here. So that our campers can have a fun little... Or should I put the garden gnome here? I like the raccoon better. Oops. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, we're gonna do a path. Oh, it drives me nuts that you can't do it in the middle, though. That the entrances are 2 blocks wide and you can't, like, place a custom design in the middle. Oh, it's so annoying to me. How do I feel about this? I'm not sure yet. Should we add some rocks and things? Honestly, like, this is how I feel like I decorate anything and everything around my island. Not that I've decorated that much of my island, but like, I just rely way too heavily on custom designs to carry the entire island and its theme. Okay, actually, I really like it now that I put down those rocks. Another rock there? Like, she's kind of cute now. What can we put underneath the raccoon? More flowers, I think. Methinks he needs some flowers underneath him. And maybe let's take away this cushion. I'm gonna have to go change it up a little bit because I don't like it like that. I don't know, this might cover the entire thing though. But maybe if we put the little wash tub. I do have a little laundry area. I have a feeling my island's gonna have a ton of different little laundry areas into the water. Honestly, that's kind of cute. The little wash tub here. What do we think, lads? I'm not mad at this, actually. Is this ugly? Like, I really can't decide. I think I really need to fix the area behind it with all the flowers, though. Something that I feel like I should probably think about more before I decorate my entire island is what season I want to save my island under. Because right now my island, like the decorations that I've been doing have been very kind of spring based. A lot of the aesthetic that I really enjoy, the cottagecore aesthetic in general, is very fall based. But at the same time, I also use a lot of like pink flowers. And I like the look of the pink and the yellow and the white, which to me feels very spring. It's not so much fall, you know what I mean? Much to think about, I think. Put that there. I think we might be done here. I'm happy with this. This is fine. It's fine for now. I have a feeling that there's a lot I'm gonna end up wanting to tweak later on, but that's, you know, that's fine. I'm gonna go empty my pockets now, and oop, did I just see? Well, tragic, I don't have a slingshot. But I think once there's a tent there, I think it'll look cute. Let me see if I can maybe get a tent set up. Like, maybe I can find a day where I get a camper. Okay. Alright. Peggy's got a thought bubble today, so let's see if... I'm hoping that she wants to move out. We'll see. Yay! Sorry. It's not that I don't mind Peggy, but I don't love her, so... Oh, but now... Ah, crap. If I don't get a camper tomorrow, then... Unfortunately, I guess the thumbnail for this video will simply be incomplete. Oh well. Here's my finished campsite. It's cute! I like it. Well, I'm curious to see what you guys think, though. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like how this campsite turned out. Please do leave your thoughts in the comments. Alright, that's it. Bye.